On the previous episode, we showed the engine and transmission installation into our ENEOS GT3. The 2008 Subaru STI transmission was installed with a reverse cut ring gear built down in Southern California. The engine is also from a 2008 Subaru STI. So we got the motor and trans mounted into our ENEOS GT3, and next we got the Nuke Performance air jacks set into place. So we towed the car down to SubiFest down in Southern California. We raised the car up on the Nuke Performance air jacks and we displayed it as a bare shell with the roll cage installed. The reception was pretty amazing and people didn't expect to see this at SubiFest. From there, we brought it back up to Northern California. Mike Midyet flew into town and installed the VAD body kit from England onto our car. Now the kit is actually a replica of the 2012 and 13 kit that was on the GT3Rs back in the Porsche racing days. And it fit phenomenally, and he really molded it to make it kind of seamless around the existing GT3 chassis. From there, we installed the BC Racing coilovers, the Rotiform wheels, and together with all the different parts, we started to get the car into the concept that we really dreamt it could be. Illumisthetic 3D printed a dashboard, Tillet seats, really completed the interior, and with everything kind of coming together at the last minute, the presentation at SEMA and the reception of it was phenomenal. Now, the livery and everything around that was the brainchild of Greg Emerson over at ID Agency. It mixed the classic Porsche kind of 917 Salzburg livery with that Subaru WRC 555 livery that everyone knows for being so famous. So the combination of the two really kind of tipped the hat to what the heritage of the car is, and with everybody involved, I can't thank everybody enough. Jeff Jabot from Works really helped out with getting the motor package together. Vibrant came on board, gave us some amazing fabrication material to get the intercoolers set up and everything done. Borg Warner with the turbo, it really just all came together, and the end product was so well received at SEMA. The massive Rotiform 917s were wrapped in some Toyo R888Rs, and it all came together with the wrap done by Landmark Graphics. You know, the Porsche purists definitely had a few keywords to say, but in general, it was great to see that it was a talking point for so many people. Now that we got the car to SEMA, it's time to make it run. The car got such a good reception at SEMA, getting all the right hate from the Porsche purists and all the love from guys that really just love motorsports and love us doing cool new things. So stay tuned as we get this car running and get it on track.